I had to go back and buy these Air Jordans. I had to add them back into my sneaker collection. These have skyrocketed in price. These are going for over $1,000, which is absolutely insane. And I bought these for a steal. I'm giving away a pair of the Lightning 4s early. To enter this free giveaway for a pair of Lightning 4s in the winner's size, all you guys need to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, join the More family, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, and I'm continuing to give back to you guys. So please make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Thunder 4s. And right here is the giveaway winner for these right here, the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, interacting with me over on Instagram. I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you guys so much. It really does mean the world to me. That's why I'm giving back to you guys with another giveaway, the Jordan 4 Thunders. Make sure you guys enter this new free sneaker giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. At the end of April, I'll be picking the winner for Thunder 4s in the winner's size before they even release. Good luck. This is the best sneaker bag on earth. It's made by Sole Premise. They make sneaker bags designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. And all of their bags are TSA approved, which is awesome. Inside of each Sole Premise sneaker bag, there's actual compartments, check that out, to store your sneakers with you. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, everything you guys need. There's tons of space, and on this big bag, there's even room on the bottom of the bag as well. I highly recommend Sole Premise sneaker bags. They are the best sneaker bags in the world. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise, and be sure to use my code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. So don't worry about those prices on their websites, because you guys are going to receive almost half off using my promo code DannyMoore. When you guys check out, make sure you guys use that code. These are the best sneaker bags on earth. I absolutely love them. I really use this bag every day. The bags are very high quality, great to store your sneakers, and they come in a ton of different colors. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I had to do it. I had to go back. I had to spend resell. I had to pay a good amount of money for these, but not the $1,000+ that they're going for. I only paid $320 for this pair. This is a worn pair. I got them from my brother, who bought them a few years ago from the GOAT app. This pair is straight fire, guys. This is a sneaker. A lot of you may not even know what this is. This is an Air Jordan 1. This is not your traditional Jordan 1 box, though. You do have the Wings logo. Instead of the big Nike branding, you have the Wings logo. So I like the switch up of the box. It is a Jordan 1 box still. This is a Air Jordan 1 high. It is not a high OG on the label at all. This is a fire pair. This is a pair you guys do not see often whatsoever. Oh my goodness, these are so fire. And I can't believe I only paid $320 for these when market's over $1,000. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. This is a worn pair, but it's okay because I'm going to be wearing these down to the ground when I go to Yankee games. I am from New York. This is a must-have. This is crazy heat to me. The Air Jordan 1 High Jeter. If you guys know what these are, you know what these are. If you don't know, it's time for me to tell you about these. This right here is a sneaker that released back in 2014. Jordan Brand collabed with Derek Jeter. If you guys didn't know, Derek Jeter is with Jordan Brand, I believe still to this day. You do have the Respect branding on the inside, on the back. There's tons of details. You do have, of course, the Yankee pinstripes, and this leather is so amazing. To me, it feels almost like a baseball glove. I did play baseball growing up, so I know what that leather feels like on gloves. I wish they put it on sneakers. It is so good. So this does feel like that, honestly. And these fat laces, something different, something unique, kind of almost like Nike SB laces, to be honest. They are thick, which is really nice. And on the back, you have gold Jumpman logo. Very nice. The white swoosh in leather as well. Once again, this sneaker, just so premium feeling. Now, as you guys can see, these are definitely used. And with this white bottom, I definitely, absolutely wish the previous owner, I wish they had drip grip sole protector on the bottom of these, because it's all white, something like this, and worth a lot of money. You guys definitely would have put drip grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market, on the bottom of your sneakers. Apply drip grip, wear your sneakers a bunch of times with no slips, no tears, multiple wears. And then when you're done wearing them, when you want to take the drip grip sole protector off, you take it off. It's gonna make the bottom look brand new, as if you never wore the sneaker. It's great for icy bottoms, it's great for expensive shoes like this, and it's great for white bottoms just like this. I really wish that the previous owner had drip grip on these. These would have looked brand new if they had drip grip on them the entire time from the previous owner's wear. But these are still very, very clean, very, very fire. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip with my link down below in the description. Check out Drip Grip. Use my promo code Danny10 for 10% off your order. The best sole protector on the market. It would have helped here big time on a sneaker just like this. So make sure you guys protect your shoes, protect the bottoms with Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. On the insole, it has respect across the entire insole. The number 2 for the S for Derek Jeter in gold. Very, very nice detail. More gold with the Wings logo as well. And then you also have some gold tips on the laces. Gold on the tongue as well with the Derek Jeter. Gold on the Jumpman. An all navy upper. You have the pinstripes on the back. White midsole, a white swoosh, and this leather quality, like I was saying, is awesome in my opinion. This is a pair of Jordan 1s you don't see every day. This is a sneaker you don't see every day. You don't see people wearing. You don't see them for sale. This is a hard to find Jordan, to be honest. It's pretty tough to find a good clean pair with the box and everything. It's hard. It's very hard. And a dead stock pair is extremely expensive if you can even find them on sale on the market. Apps are crazy prices, so good luck finding these for a decent price. It's not going to be easy if you're looking for these, but hey, this is a slept-on pair of Jordan 1s that I don't think a lot of people actually even know about. These are fire, man. Definitely a must-have for me in my sneaker collection. Being from New York, a Yankee fan, a huge Derek Jeter fan, it only made sense for me to go back and add these to my sneaker collection. Even though resale price has skyrocketed high, I still got them for a very good deal, in my opinion. These are straight fire, a must cop, and since they're worn, I have no problem wearing them, beating them up more into the ground, and I can't wait to go to a Yankee game. Baseball season has started, and I definitely need to bring these out when I go to the Bronx. These are fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 Jeter. You don't see these very often. Prices are high. This is a must cop, a must add to my sneaker collection. When sneakers like this become so expensive and unobtainable because of the price, what I like to do, and I recommend you guys do as well, to still get the sneaker, right? We still want them. It's still a must-have. We still want them for whatever reason, right? We just don't want to spend that money. That's the problem. What I like to do, what I did here, and what I recommend doing to still get the sneaker, guys, is buy them used. It will save you money. Look at this price on the market. If I went to any of these apps, this sneaker's gonna cost me in my size 10.5 year, what, $1,400? I'm not spending that. Got it for $320. The same shoe. Already worn, I'm gonna wear it anyway. How can you go wrong? It only makes sense to do this. Of course, in my opinion, on really expensive shoes, that's when it really pays off, because you can get hundreds, sometimes even $1,000+ off when buying a used pair compared to something that's brand new. When you're still gonna wear it anyway, It only makes sense. If you ask me, this is a great example right here of what I've done, and I've done it a good amount. I definitely recommend doing it. You still get the shoe, just at a cheaper price point. We're starting up a new giveaway right now for Thunder 4s. Be sure you like this video, run up those likes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button while you're down there. Hit that little red button. Let's hit 100,000 subscribers this year. That would be amazing. And make sure you guys leave a comment and let me know your size in the Thunder 4s. Make sure you guys DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me a picture that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This Thunder 4 giveaway ends at the end of this month, so the winner's gonna have these before they even release. Good luck on the free giveaway for the Jordan 4 Thunder. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.